Hello motovloggers, welcome back with another vlog. So today I'm going to explain how to mount a 360 camera like GoPro Max on the top of your helmet. So without wasting time, let's get started. Step 1. Clean the surface with clothes or tissue papers. Then mark position of your mount on the top of your helmet using a pencil. Remove the protective cover from the adhesive mount and place it on the position marked already. Remember one thing, while marking the position, make it sure that it does not touch the visor when you lift it fully. Mount the camera as shown in the video. While mounting the camera, please make it sure that the screen doesn't come in front, because while doing so, the screen may get damaged due to the collision of dust particle or anything which may come in contact while you go for motovlogging, because you'll be using the camera while you ride. So be careful. Now remove the camera. Let's go for step 2. Using a glue like Fevikwik, fill up the gaps if there is any, as shown in the video. Now the last step, my favorite one. So it's not compulsory though. Tie the mount through the vents of your helmet using any thin rope. So guys, after finishing all these 3 steps, you are ready to go for motovlogging. So best of luck. So guys, thank you for making me part of this video. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. As always, please do subscribe to my channel if you are new, and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload any video. With that being said, I'm gonna end my vlog. Bye bye, see you in the next video.